surprised to be very honest. I was not even actually prepared to do my speech today, but yes, here we are. Well, I would like to ask, I would like to start my pitch today by giving you this question. Are we all aware that 35 billion barrels of fossil fuels every year is being consumed? Scientists estimate we already consume 40% of this oil and gas, and that estimate was done in 2018, 7 years ago. With these estimates, we will run out of oil and gas, and in 50 years or so, and in about a century or more. The effects of these energy resources are very obvious. It worsens the health of mankind because we breathe fumes on a daily basis. It pollutes and deteriorates all living organisms in our ecosystems. This is apart from politics causing war between highly producing oil and gas nations. With this reason, diesel reaches 557 pesos per liter as per today. Can you just imagine that? And for gas, it is an estimated 55 pesos today. Compared to electricity, that the standard kilowatt is at only 13 pesos per kilowatt hour. Thinking of savings. This is a massive savings. What does it bring to all of us? We have other sources of energy that we can consume, like the sun, the wind, and water, or the so-called renewable energy. Renewable meaning it doesn't run out, not depleted of use. But over time, switching to this energy is challenging and complex due to high cost and accessibility. That's why the usage of these energy sources is only at less than 20%. But thanks to you, our investors, researchers, and innovators in making the use of this renewable energy possible at the present time. Let's raise the glass to all of you who not only invested their money to make this happen, but more so your intellect, your efforts, and your time. So hear us out today. We value all your works. And that's what being me in this podium today. I'm Tala Zaldivar Reeves. I am the Marketing Director and Head of Fleet Accounts for Centro Motors VinFast and speaking in behalf of VinFast Philippines and the Vin Group. My sincerest gratitude to Dr. Kaushal and the whole organizing committee, and of course our dearest friend, Dr. Luis Rodriguez, also the member of Philippine Medical Association. All right. Who is VinFast? VinFast Corporation is a member of Vin Group, one of the leading private conglomerates in the region in Vietnam. By always putting our customers first, VinFast relentlessly innovates to create high-quality products and exceptional experience for everyone. And this you may not possibly know. VinFast is actually accumulating the highest percentage of EV cars in Vietnam, pointing at 18%. What is our vision? Our vision is to drive the movement of the global smart electric vehicle revolution, and without the mission to create a more sustainable future for everyone. We believe that by always putting our customers first, VinFast relentlessly innovates to create high-quality products and exceptional experience for everyone. Adds up to our core values, high standard products, competitive pricing, and outstanding after-sales policies. EV. LTO provides EV users or the electric vehicle users of priority for registration and renewal of our registration. We don't have color coding. That means we can move. The progress is non-stop for EV users because we can transport in various places and cities over the metro 24/7. You know, I don't like coding. Monday, I am color coding. I'm a number coding. Friday, my other car is also number coding. And that prompts me to go to TNVS. And if you have noticed, we have GSM Green on the roads now. At the meantime, we only have 500 GSM Green vehicles because we are still in the testing rivers. So we test the waters, but at the end of the year, we are actually going to put 2,500 of our GSM Green on the road. And yours truly is going to put up, together with VinFast Philippines and the GSM Green charging ports, we will be putting up 15,000 charging stations all over the National Capital Region. But to top that, Central Motors Marikina City is the pioneering showroom with the charging stations. We have 2 at the Zealand building, and we have, actually it's 2 big 300 kilowatt. So it's located at our main office at Marikina, Hill Fernando Street. Think about savings. So for one SUV, just for example, one SUV, your full tank is at 300 pesos. If you are going to use an EV, VinFast, for example, our BF3 is what we call the car of the millennials. You can see that blue there is our BF3, and it runs up to 215 kilometers. It goes with a portable charging charger that you can actually bring with you anywhere you want to go. 215 kilometers can actually give you at least 4-5 days travel without charging it. Full charge is at only less than 300 pesos. Compared to your cars, that can actually bring you to full tank at 3,000 or 2,000 pesos. So this is free of maintenance because EV compared to the ICE vehicles has 2,000 moving parts. For us, VinFast electric vehicle has only 20 to 50 moving parts. So wala na po tayong change oil. So you can go directly and then have your car's full charge, have it running on the major roads. Our Evida law is providing us a lot for our EV vehicles. It does not only gives us the priority for our registration and renewal. Not only we are excused from number coding, but we are also zero excise tax. Given the major economic crisis that we have now, this is what we need. So ladies and gentlemen, you can check our VinFast cars right there. You can check our prices and all of our promos for today. We have special discounts for everybody. With that, thank you very much everyone, and hope to see you in our booth. Thank you. God bless everybody.
Thank you, Ms.